You guys here, homework 53, latitude, longitude, color, and you need colored pencils. Color as directed below. Pay close attention to the examples. Make sure you know the know it information, as there will be a quiz on this, so this is stuff you need to know. So, number one, know it. Latitude lines are flat or horizontal on the map. So I'm going to highlight that because that's important. So, latitude lines are these right here. These are all your latitude lines. Okay? Some people think lat, flat. That might help. So, what we're going to do, first thing here is color the 30 degrees south latitude line blue. Okay, and we're going to do that. So, blue, 30 south. This is 30 south right here. And that's blue. Next up is color the 60 degrees north latitude line yellow. We're all comparing all of this latitude to 0. Okay, that is the equator. Okay, so what are we doing? 60 degrees north latitude line yellow, which is right there. That should be yellow. And then the 75 degrees north latitude line brown, that is this one. Brown. Okay? 2. Know it. Longitude lines run up and down on the map above, or vertical. Longitude. So, longitude lines are these. Knowing the difference between them is key. Make sure you know it. Come up with a way to know it. Again, lat, flat really helps people. And we're going to color the 60 degree east longitude line orange. So we're comparing it to 0 here. So these are east of 0. This is called the prime meridian is 0. And these are all west. So what are we doing? 60 degrees east. And we're coloring it orange. And it's this one right here. Okay. It's that one right there. And then we're coloring the 140 degrees east line purple. Purple, 140 east is right, this purple is not in good shape, is right here. Again, so this is my purple, 140 east, again east of the prime meridian. Next up is 20 west line red. Okay, so this 0 here, this 20 here, that's 20 east, we want 20 west, that's this right here. Red, okay. Example, point E has a latitude of 30 degrees south. E is 30 degrees south. Another example is point E's longitude is 100 degrees west. Okay, because again it's comparing to this 100 degrees that way. I really put the examples on there before I was doing had the ability to do the video. So, 4, draw a green dot at this location. 30 degrees north, 40 degrees east. Green dot, label it W. Let's get green. What are we doing? 30 degrees north. So 30 degrees north is this line here. It's somewhere on this line. Okay, and then what are we doing? 40 degrees east. This is 0. That's 40 degrees east. Therefore, it's going to be right there. Okay, and label it W. That's that right there. Label it W. Okay, so that's one way to see the grid. It's very kind of centered. This one here, check this out. 5 says the prime meridian is 0 longitude. There's another know it. So know it is stuff that is important for the quiz, so you need to know it. The prime meridian is 0 degrees longitude. The equator is 0 latitude. Okay? And it says color over the prime meridian yellow. And I do this so people can really kind of see it, and the interacting with the lines, I think the coloring really sort of helps get in your brain as opposed to just reading it. Now we're going to color the equator line red. Again, equator is a line of latitude. And I like this, how this is more spherical looking, this diagram here, as opposed to the one at the top. 7, you use green to color over the longitude line that runs through point X. Green, so just go, this is a line of longitude that goes to X, is that one. And is point X east or west of the prime meridian? Here's the prime meridian. It is that direction of it. Therefore, it is west of it. So that should be west. Okay, on to the back. Another map. I try to get some different maps here. Know it. I'll do it again. Longitude lines are either west or east of the prime meridian. Example, longitude of Messina here is 18 degrees east. Okay, 0 there, 18 degrees east. The longitude of San Francisco is 122. Is this east or west of the prime meridian? Okay. Hold on 1 second here, everybody. Give me a second. Please stand by. And then this is prime meridian is here. This is the prime meridian, and then this is the equator, and it is west of it. Okay. Longitude of Tokyo is 140. 140 is here. This is the prime meridian. It is therefore east. And if you don't have this down, north, south, east, west, that you need to know this for that. This is going to be east. And then know it. Latitude lines are either north or south of the equator. Latitude is always going to be north or south. And example, latitude of Messina is 38 degrees north. Latitude line is this way for Messina. And it's 38 degrees north because it's compared to 0. Use orange to color over the 40 degrees south latitude line. What am I doing? Orange. 40 degrees south is this one right here. And blue to color over the 20 degrees north latitude line. That's purple. Blue is right here. That's blue. Okay. And now moving on to the bottom one. This is this diagram here. Use red to color over 0 degrees longitude, which is the prime meridian. Now, this is a unique picture in that, look at the numbers here. The perspective, this is the prime meridian. It's barely even on the page, so it's kind of off to the side. Okay, so be careful of that. Use yellow to color over 0 degrees latitude, which is the equator. You see that right here. And again, I'm just having more and more practice of you just getting in there and drawing on these different types of maps to get latitude, longitude down. Some students really have trouble with it. You need to get this down. 30 degrees north latitude line has been darkened. Use blue to color over the 30 degrees south latitude line. Okay, so that's north. And then blue is the 30 degrees south, which is this one here. Okay, this one there. And then use green to color over the 105 degrees west longitude line. See, this is 0, so these are all west of 0. And I'm using what green, I think. I'm using green, 105, again, longitude, longitude, longitude. It's going up and down as longitude. And 19, draw a purple X at the approximate location of the North Pole. And the North Pole is right about there. Okay, so I hope that helps. Homework 53. I'm Mr. Gazza for all the fine folks at Gazdoni Productions. Thanks for watching.